Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to enable Auto Guard feature in Street Fighter 4 using your Android or iOS device. If you are new to Street Fighter 4 and find blocking attacks difficult, the Auto Guard features can help you learn the game more comfortably. First of all, open the Street Fighter 4 application on your device and wait for the game to load the main menu. On the main menu, tap on Other at the top right corner, and from the Other option, tap on Options from the bottom. On the next page, you will be able to see the Auto Guard button. Tap on it and make sure that it is selected to On. Once you have the Auto Guard option turned on, this will automatically block most basic attacks, help beginners focus on movements and attacks. Remember, it does not block throws, some crush-up attacks, certain special or unblockable moves. So that is how you can easily enable Auto Guard feature in Street Fighter 4. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.